Okay, the next one I'm going to is of a breakdown, okay? I'm going to use these boards as resources. Okay, please focus on me. Okay, now for breakdown, isn't it you know, we have tens and units, isn't it? We have, what do we have? We have tens and units. Tens and units. So if you are adding a number, let's say you have 30, maybe 34 plus 26. What are we going to do then? So if you have 34 and 26, you need to break it up into a tens and units. 34. What is this number? 34. What is this number? 34. When I open it, 30 and then 4. So when you're adding, you're going to break it up first. You're going to break it up. Going to break it up. 30 plus 4 equals 34. Plus what is this number?
26.
When you break it up, because we need to break the numbers up, 20 and a 6. So it's going to be 20 plus 6. Then here you put the 10 one side. The 10 one side. So you take the 30 and the 20, you put it one side. 30 plus 20. And you take the 6 and the 4 and you put it one side. The 6 and the 4. 4 and the 6. Doesn't matter. Put it one side. Then you add. When you're adding, 30 plus 20 equals 50. Plus 4 plus 6 equals 10. Answer is 60. Okay. Now, when you're doing the same thing, but when you're minusing, still, 10 on one side, units on one side. It's going to be, let's say, 34 minus 20. Let me say 38. 38 minus 24. What do I do? Minus 24, what do I do? This is 38, isn't it?
Yes.
When I do this, what is this called?
38.
Yes, break up the numbers. 30 plus 8. Yeah. Minus or plus? Minus. Because it's the sum, it says minus. Then 20 plus 4. You also break it up. Okay. Then now you put that 10 one side. So it's going to be 30 plus or minus? Minus, because now we are doing the sum, isn't it? Because we group it at 10 one side, we need to minus from that. Because remember, this one minus is this one minus is this one. Okay. So it's 30 minus 20 plus or minus? Plus, because we already minus. Now we need to add the two separated numbers together to get one whole number. Okay. So it's 30 minus 20 plus 8 minus 4. 30 minus 20 is 10 plus 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we have a 10 and a 4. We have a 10 and a 4. We have a 10 and a 4. Now, why were we using a plus sign? Because we need to bring it together to make one whole number. Because if we just have a 10 and a 4 like this, it's 104. So we need to bring it together. That's why we put a plus sign. So we can fuse it together. Now what number does it give us?
14.
14. Gives us 14. So when you add or minusing, you break up the numbers into tens and units. Firstly, the first step, you break the number up, and this number must make this one. That's why we said plus here and a minus here, because we are still saying the same thing. It's just that we have minus. We have minus. Yes, we broke up the numbers. We're still saying the same thing. 30 minus 24. Just that we are showing the breaking of the numbers. Just that we are showing the breaking up of the numbers to show how many tens are in this number, how many units are in this number. How many tens are in this number, how many units are in this number. Then after that, that's why we say minus, because now we are actually doing the sum. We are minusing, then we put a plus there because we are fusing the numbers together. We have to always join them together, otherwise the answer will just be 10 and 4. So we need the plus to bring the numbers together. Then here in the plus, you are plusing all the way because you are just adding, okay? Because you are just adding. Then also if you want to double check if your steps and your answer is right, you can just use this method where you say 34 plus 26 plus equal. Put the 10 one side, 30 plus 20. Put the 4 ones, the units on side. 4 plus 2, so it's 30 plus 8 is 50. 4 plus 6 is 10. 8, 6, 16. Okay. Then even for a minus, you do the same thing. Minus, then you add at the end. Go. Then 8 minus 24 minus equal to 30 minus 20. 8 minus 4, 10, 4. Then you add these because remember you have to add. Add, get a 14. Then you know if this answer is right, that means this answer is right. But you need to know the step because it's a longer method and it helps you. That method helps you when you're doing the work. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Group leaders connect to books, please.